Like, did y'all know that bread had high fructose corn syrup in it? He won't. Look out, Nick. I'm live on Twitch right now. I'm live. Go check me out, man. Okay. Okay. Oh man. Let me see. What type of RC rock crawler? Man, they got some basically these like some $2,000 cars. You know what I'm saying? Rock crawling. What they doing? What you mean?
Small tire and big tire.
Yeah, they coming up with some. They coming up with some different. I don't know how to explain them, but they some RC cars that rock crawl. Okay. Let me see. Yeah, them beans. I just eat beans because I just know beans good for you. And really, they ain't got to just taste no certain type of way. I just like them to taste a certain kind of way in order for me to eat more of them.
Trying the gumbo.
Yeah, yesterday I was with my uncle, and he was trying to figure out what he wanted to do. I told him he'll be a good, he could start a good food taster channel. I'll get on there with him. Bojangles is in the building. So with it, Bojangles, that's my probation officer. My Twitch probation officer. Well, I was thinking about you, Bojangles, when you, after I left Memphis. I was thinking he'd be saying, I'll let on a fixed income. Me and you in the same position. Shout out to Bojangles, y'all. They had a quit. Matter of fact, I've been back to work so busy, partner. Do you you on a what's that? You on a salary, or you can get paid overtime still? Cause you the supervisor. I knew he was a supervisor.
Oh, with all the unsolicited suggestions?
Yeah. I knew he was a supervisor. I said, ain't no way. I don't think Bojangles can work and he not be the boss.
I hate him on the job.
Oh, okay. He said he hourly, so he get all the overtime. That's clear.
So, I mean, there are different kinds of supervisors in different departments.
Mm-hmm.
What he doesn't, I guess he doesn't have to say what his job is. But
Yeah.
what department?
Damn, he said 38 an hour on overtime.
Yeah.
So that's time and a half. So he at what? Let me see. Damn, I ain't did this math in a minute. So boom, what would he be at? 24 plus. Let me see, if he was at 24, that'd be 36. So that ain't it. He right by it though. 25? I think he had 25 an hour, y'all. The answer 19. Let me see, 19. Oh, he getting paid time and a half? Nah, something ain't right.
I think he said he's out on the West Coast too, so.
Yeah, you supposed to be making a lot of money in California. Yeah, they taxing out there.
Spending it all on rent.
Yeah, y'all probably spend. You buying a house or you rent Bojangles? Cause I could. What's rent out there? Ain't rent, man. I heard they taxing. I think I set my full. I can make it back to XRP with what I just ate. Oh, I live in Oregon, Washington border, and I'm buying my house. Nice. He say he in Oregon and he buying Washington, Oregon. He buying his house. Rent is ridiculous out here. What you? Let me hit this trash can. Leave them their sauce. And the man sauce.
Let's step outside and have a smoke.
All right. All right. Hey, miss. Barbecue lemon pepper. Oh, that would depend on your credit score. I had got my credit score way up there. Didn't do nothing with it, man. I couldn't find nobody that advised me to do nothing good. I was about a 760.
Thank you.
My neighbor's mortgage about $3K a month. God damn. But buying, you have extra stuff to do like repair and mow. I ain't gonna lie, that lemonade they got was pretty good. I'm gonna drink that energy drink. I thought something was going on. Pretty good. I'm gonna drink that energy drink. Hey. Let me see. But buying, you have to do extra stuff. He said his neighbor's mortgage around $3K a month. Oh, Bojangles, you just 29? I'm figured I'll buy now instead of paying rent so some other hoe can buy their house. Let's see. Ridiculous right here. My mortgage $1,400, 4-bath, 4-bedroom, built in 2017. He'll sound pretty good, don't it?